bensound.com. 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 bensound.com.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touchscreen digitizer glass on the iPad 9 2021 10.2 model. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating is required to separate the screen from the body for tablet repair. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On the iPad 9, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a plastic cut pry tool or triangular picker and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the flex cables attached to the logic board. To lift the touchscreen, take the direction like opening a book but from the left hand to the right hand side. Open and place it like an open book till removing the LCD screen. Next, take off the LCD screen by undoing screws. There are sticky tapes covering the screw heads. Move aside and remove 4 screws. Next, lift the LCD screen to 90 degrees by the top and then disconnect the plug by undoing 3 screws and the shield. Next, unplug both touchscreen connectors by the socket. Peel the tape and raise the tab to take out the Touch ID connector plug. Now the touchscreen unit can leave from the body. Assume you have broken touchscreen. There are 2 parts available for this repair. One is the touchscreen digitizer assembly and the other one is just a touchscreen digitizer. The difference is digitizer assembly comes with the home button and flex while digitizer is coming without the home button and flex. If you choose without the home button and flex, then you need to extract the home button and flex from the broken screen and then place it on the new screen. First, apply the heat to soften the glue on the button area and then gently peel the cable using a pry tool. Make sure to push the button slightly from the front side. Next, take out the button flex and place it on the new screen. Next, place the touchscreen with the new unit and place it on the body by connecting both touchscreen connectors and the home button flex. Next, place a new LCD screen and secure the connector, and then add the shield by inserting screws.